Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the concepts, that is how can we trade using the pivot points. Okay, so today we are going to learn the Fibonacci pivot points. So we have learned so many concepts like so many pivot points, like how can we trade using the Camarilla pivot points, how can we trade using the traditional pivot points. So today I'll be explaining you how can we trade using the Fibonacci pivot points. Okay. So now we can understand what is called Fibonacci pivot point and what is a pivot point. So a pivot point is the price level calculated from previous prices. So if you are trading for intraday, that is calculated from the previous day, that is yesterday's levels. It is used to indicate the potential areas of support or resistance that offer attractive reward to risk setup for the trade. So when you are trading, that is above pivot points, what are the next resistance level, that is R1, R2, R3 and R4, and what is the levels below the pivot points, that is support S1, S2, S3 and S4. Okay, so the pivot point itself is simply the average of the intraday high and low and the closing price from the previous trading day. Trading above the pivot point on the subsequent day is thought to indicate that the sentiment is bullish, that is bullish sentiment of the stock or the instrument which you are trading. So again, the reverses, that is trading below the pivot point, indicates the bearish sentiment of the stock or bearish sentiment of the instruments. So as we are trading using the Fibonacci pivot points, we need to know how these Fibonacci numbers are calculated or how we are getting this Fibonacci number. And we are also using the moving average, that is 34 EMA. So why 34 EMA? 34 EMA is also a Fibonacci number. So the Fibonacci number that is starting with 1 plus 1. So starting number is 1. Alright, okay, so the Fibonacci sequence, of which the first number is 1, consists of number that are the sum of themselves and the number that is preceding the next number. Okay, so as a result, so how we are getting the next number? So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So we are adding the preceding number with the subsequent number. Again, we will be adding this 2 plus 1, that is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So next is we will be adding this 2 plus 3, that is 5. Again, we will be adding this 5 with this 3, that is 3 plus 5, 8. So this is how we are deriving the next Fibonacci number. So again, we will be adding this 13 plus 21 is equal to 34. So we are using one EMA, that is moving average, that is 34 moving average. So we can add this Fibonacci number with the preceding number with the subsequent number and till the number infinity. Okay, so again 21 plus 34 equal to 55, which indicates that 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34 and 55 all are the Fibonacci numbers. Okay. So this is the strategy that we are going to use for intraday. So time frame, you can select 5 minutes or you can choose the 3 minutes time frame. Okay. So this is the indicator, that is pivot points. Okay. Go to the indicator and you can select the pivot point. And there we have under inputs, when you look into the type, okay, when you click on the drop down menu, we can see lots of options like traditional, Fibonacci, like that. So you have to select the option Fibonacci. Okay. And the pivot time frame is daily. Here also we have monthly, weekly and yearly, other options are there. So as we are doing intraday, we have to select the option daily. Okay, and show prices and show labels. This is the prices and the labels. And label position is left and right, both are there. So you have to you can select according to your trading style. So I have selected left because I want to see the left, see the levels on the left side of the candle. Okay, and here we can see the support and resistance level, that is P is the pivot point, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, that is we can see the 5 support levels and 5 resistance levels. I have checked all the resistance and all the support levels. Okay, so under style we are not going to change anything. So this is the settings of the Fibonacci pivot points. Okay, now click on OK. So this particular strategy we are using only for intraday. Okay. Okay, so the time frame you can use either 5 minutes or 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so here I have selected 5 minutes time frame. So the Fibonacci pivot points is daily and the moving average we are using 34. 34 EMA is a Fibonacci number. So we are using 34 EMA also in our strategy in order to enter into the long and the short trade, that is CE and PE trade. So basically if the index or if the instrument is trading above the pivot level, means the overall trend is bullish. Okay. So here this is trading above the pivot point. So it is bullish. Okay. So you can look for long trade. And if it is trading below the pivot points, means it is bearish. Okay. So if the particular strike price or particular index or the stocks or any instrument, if it is trading above the P level, that is pivot point, means the trend is bullish, and if it is trading below the pivot point, means the overall trend is bearish. So in that case you can look for long and the short trade according to the pivot point. Okay. So here this is Nifty, which is trading above the P level. Here we can see this is pivot point. Okay. So this is pivot point and we got a pin bar candle at the pivot point. So the overall trend is bullish, and also it is trading above the 34 EMA. So you can consider entering into the long trade. So what will be the first target? That is R1. Second target is R2. So you can book your profits according to your risk reward. And you can see that on the same day Nifty moved to R1, R2 and R3. All the three resistance level, the target got achieved. Alright. And also we can see the particular Nifty is trading above the 34 EMA. We didn't get any single candle which is closing below the 34 EMA for the particular day. Alright. So what will be the stop loss when you enter into the long trade? So the stop loss is always the low of the candle which you are entering. So here we can see this candle's low is the stop loss. So here the low of this red candle is the stop loss when you enter into the long trade, that is below the P level. Okay. We can see one more example. Okay. So here we can see that this is 28th November. Nifty opened above the pivot point. So above the pivot point means the overall trend is bullish. Okay. And if you are getting any candle, any green candle which is above 34 EMA and above P level, you can consider entering into the long trade. What will be the target? That is R1. So once the price touched R1, you can book your profits. Okay. Again we got one more short trade, that is the price is giving a close below the P level and also the price is giving a close below the 34 EMA. So you can consider entering into the short trade here. Okay. P trade. So here we can consider entering into the short trade. Again, what will be the stop loss? Stop loss will be the high of this red candle. So this is the stop loss. You can keep the stop loss above the high of this red candle. You can consider entering into the short trade. What is the target? Target is S1 and S2. Okay. So you can book your profits according to your risk reward ratio. Alright, so this is how you have to enter into the CE and PE trade. Basically, if the price is trading above the P level, the overall trend is bullish. Below the P level, the trend is bearish. So we are using one more moving averages also in order to get the double confirmation in order to enter your trades. We can see one example from Bank Nifty. Okay, so here this is the Bank Nifty chart and we can see here the price is trading below the pivot level. Here we can see that the price is trading below the P level and also the first red candle is below the S1 level. Okay. So as the price is below the S1, we can wait for the green candle to give a close above the S1 and the 34 moving average. So this is a green candle. This is a green candle which give a close above the 34 moving average. So we can consider entering into the long trade. What will be the first target? First target is P. And also if the price is giving a close above the P level and also above the 34 EMA, the overall trend is changed to bullish. Okay, so you can keep holding your CE trade for the next resistance, that is R1 and R2. So that also got achieved. Okay, so you can see here the target got achieved from P level to R2. This is my Telegram channel, Trader Chitra, currently having 10k plus subscribers. So there are so many Telegram channels, they are using my name and my picture. Okay, so I don't own any paid Telegram channel or any paid WhatsApp group. Okay, or I don't provide any investment advisory. So this is a free Telegram channel. The link is available in the description box below. And when you click here, you can see my mobile number. This is my mobile number and this is my Telegram channel. And I don't own any paid WhatsApp group or any paid Telegram channel. All right. Okay, so here in this channel, in this Telegram, I will be sharing every day my analysis, that is my view for Nifty and Bank Nifty and the trades which I am taking. Every day I will be sharing those levels, and this levels which I am sharing is support and resistance level, and this is only for educational purpose. Okay, I am not giving any calls, any CE or any PE trade. This is my views and how the levels are respecting from that particular level. All right, so those who are interested can click the link in the description box below and they can join this Telegram channel. Okay, so here I will be posting my analysis and I will be sharing few stocks, that is breakout stocks also I will be sharing. Okay, here we can see I am sharing the stocks also every day. And about my customized indicator, how it is working, I will be posting my posting the Nifty and Bank Nifty, how that particular Nifty and Bank Nifty gave the trades also I am sharing every day in this Telegram channel. So Bank Nifty gave a C trade, P trade, like that. Based on my customized indicator, I am sharing the chart every day in my Telegram channel. Okay. So those who are interested, they can click in the link in the description box, or those who want to purchase this indicator can ping me in Telegram or through WhatsApp.
Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.